This is a L9 action camera. Okay, now I want to show you how to put in this micro SD card. This is the slot to slot in our micro SD card, and this one is for power. Okay, let's come to put in this memory. This is a micro SD 64 GB. Okay, when you want to slot in, okay, this side is wrong. Okay, so the printed circuit here, the printed circuit plate here, facing up here. Okay, when slot in, okay, then you can hear the sound. Okay, like this, not yet. Okay, use a fingernail, press in. You can hear the sound, tick tick. Okay, I try one more time to take it up. Put in. Then, okay, if you want to format this micro SD card, okay, how to format? This is a power button. Press and hold 3 seconds. Power on. Okay, and then this is another button, the mode button. Press and hold. Okay, you can come out this. You can see this come out the menu here. Okay, I make it nearer and see. Okay, that's the resolution, and so the button up here. Okay, then press up again button. This is a format. So you want to format it, you press this OK button. It will format for you. So once everything okay, you want to get up this menu, this button again, press and hold. Okay, go back to normal. There is